because at some point I thought those girls were so mean, you know, until they spoke finally. I was wondering, surely, how can these girls be so brutal? But it speaks to what society is and how we can bring it out using this creative space. I am sure our friends in Google, I am sure our friends in Facebook and YouTube agree with me that that content was international. You agree? Pongezi tena. Can we clap for those girls? You guys were phenomenal. You were just something else. So pongezi sana, and that speaks to the kind of talent, the kind of creative talent that is in Kenya. Explain to me, good people, why, can you compare what Riara girls presented here with what we watch on TV, Afro Cinema Continues? Are they on the same level? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And I say that without fear of any contradiction. Our girls are superior. They are playing at a different level. Ni kweli ama si kweli? You know, whatever you watch in those cinema things with witchcraft and I don't know what and some ugly stuff, these girls are special. Wapigie makofi. Yeah, asanteni sana, girls. Thank you very much. And congratulations to Riara. You have really made a presentation and a half. And that is the kind of content that will speak to us as a nation on our TV screens. That is the kind of content that people should be paying. We should be monetizing that kind of content. And therefore, my instructions are all what has been done over the years should not just be curated, but the Ministry of ICT will work with KICD to make sure that they are available online and they are monetized so that the owners of that product can access and can get a monetary gain out of it. It will also speak to where we are going as a nation. Let me again say congratulations to all of you. I am truly, truly grateful, and to commit to all of you that we will continue to invest in this space around our children. This year, we have hired about 35,000 teachers to make sure that all our girls and boys in school are taught. We will possibly maybe hire a similar number next year. We are working on the resources so that we can also re-engineer the whole space around our competence-based education. This year, again, we have deployed additional resources in our TVET institutions. The request was we hire another 3,000 TVET tutors. We've hired 1,300. We will hire another 1,700 later this year so that we can not only teach in our TVETs, so that we can have the likes of Sese from Vihiga, you know,